The 2026 Sherco 450 SEF Factory represents the pinnacle of enduro performance. Engineered for riders who demand uncompromising power, agility, and durability. Built with race-winning pedigree. This model continues Sherco's legacy of producing world-class machines designed to dominate even the toughest terrains. Engineered for power and control, at the heart of the 2026450 SEF Factory lies a refined 450cc 4-stroke engine, delivering robust torque and smooth power delivery. Optimized fuel injection and advanced engine mapping ensure precise throttle response, making it equally capable in tight technical sections or wide-open straights. Sherco has fine-tuned this powerplant to balance raw strength with rideability, giving riders confidence in every condition. Factory-level components true to its factory name. This model comes equipped with premium components inspired directly from competition machines. High-performance suspension, race-ready wheels, and Brembo braking systems guarantee superior handling and stopping power. The addition of lightweight materials enhances maneuverability without compromising stability. Rider-centric design. The ergonomics of the 2026 Sherco 450 SEF Factory have been optimized for comfort and control. A slimmer seat, strategically placed controls, and reinforced chassis geometry allow riders to move fluidly while maintaining grip and balance. Whether navigating rocky climbs or muddy trails, the bike's design ensures fatigue is minimized, and performance is maximized. Advanced technology. Sherco continues to integrate modern technology into its factory lineup. The 2026 edition features updated electronic aids such as customizable engine maps, traction management, and improved cooling systems. These enhancements provide riders with adaptability for different terrains and weather conditions. Ready for the extreme. From the Enduro GP stage to local trails, the 2026 Sherco 450 SEF Factory is a machine built for champions. Its blend of precision engineering, factory-level components, and advanced technology make it one of the most competitive enduro bikes on the market.